Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto X Plorer. Today, we're diving into one of the most exhilarating machines of 2025 at the Ferrari 812. If you're into raw power, stunning Italian design, and pure driving emotion, you're going to want to stick around. The 2025 Ferrari 812 doesn't stray too far from its predecessors in terms of silhouette, but it refines the formula in a way only Ferrari can. From the outside, it's instantly recognizably long, low, and aggressive. The aerodynamic tweaks this year are subtle but effective. Ferrari has sharpened the front fascia with more defined intakes and active aero elements that shift based on speed and driving mode. The LED headlights are sleeker now, blending into the curves like a cat ready to pounce, and that sculpted hood, still hiding one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines on the planet. From the side, the 812's proportions are just outrageous. A front mid-engine layout means a long hood and a rear-set cabin that screams GT performance. The rear arches flare wide, hugging the massive wheels with Pirelli P0 rubber that seems ready to chew up any road you throw at it. Around back, quad taillights and that aggressive diffuser round out the look, with new exhaust tips that hint at the sound to come. And trust me, it sounds insane. Speaking of which, under that gorgeous hood is where things get even more exciting. Ferrari is sticking to its V12 roots here, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 that now pushes out 840 horsepower. That's right, no turbo, no hybrid assistance, just pure mechanical glory. The red line has been raised slightly, touching 9,500 RPM, making this one of the highest revving production cars ever. 0 to 60, you're looking at just under 2.8 seconds. Top speed, over 211 miles per hour. But it's not just numbers, it's the way it delivers. The power band is smooth, the throttle response immediate, and the sound, spine-tingling. Ferrari's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission gets faster shifts this year, and the 812 continues to offer rear-wheel drive only, making it a purist's dream. The steering feels razor-sharp, thanks to the latest version of Ferrari's rear-wheel steering system, and despite the ferocity, it still rides with surprising composure. This car knows how to dance when you push it, but also knows when to calm down on a scenic cruise. Now, let's take a quick look inside. The cabin is unmistakably Ferrari, performance-focused but dripping in luxury. Alcantara and leather wrap nearly every surface, and the carbon fiber elements are everywhere. The digital instrument cluster is crisp, customizable, and keeps the driver fully informed. Ferrari continues its trend of minimal central controls. Everything is driver-centric, even the passenger display. It's tight, sporty, and surprisingly comfortable for longer drives. All in all, the 2025 Ferrari 812 is a masterpiece of engineering and design. It refines what made the previous versions iconic and pushes it just a bit further. If you're a V12 lover or a GT performance purist, this might just be your dream car. That's all for today on Auto X Plorer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know what you think of the new 812. Catch you in the next one.